We want you to keep stepping as he sings and performs. Let's go to work, Jay.
Everybody having a good time? Can I get a little more sound, please?
Hey, please.
Can I get just a little more sound in the mic?
Please.
1, 2. Oh, yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
Inglewood.
Y'all ready to step, y'all? This is a song off the album that I made strictly for the steppers. It's called Step the Night Away, which was written and produced by myself. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. I know y'all cut a rug. Come on. We've been working hard. No time for nothing but work and sleep. We hardly have time to spend with each other. Now the weekend's here, let's get together. Let's go out for a night of time. Ooh, just you and me, baby. Stops here to take now. Whoa. And we looking good. Yes, we are. All night long, just me and you, baby. 'Cause tonight we're gonna ride away. And we're gonna ride away. And we're now follow me to the dance floor. Take my hand and let me show you how we do when our steppers get the step. It's a simple groove. Just 1, 2 step. Ooh, you can be so the world can see. This is the part, fellas, when you take the woman and just show off. Come on. Come on, follow my lead. Next we'll move my feet, and I'ma turn you around so the world can see. So they can see you, baby. Can we step the night away? This is what we do in the Midwest. We could have run. Come on and just step tonight. If you came to step and have a good time, let me hear you make some noise. Oh, come on and step. Do it. Oh yeah. Come on, fellas, show off. Ooh, baby, yeah. Fellas, if you're cool like me, you got your cool groove going right now. Let's go. Hey. Ladies, get your sexy on. All my sexy ladies, get your sexy on.